All right, so you got in a car accident and it was not your fault. Your question is, will your rates go up? It depends. Typically, it should not go up. It should not go up because it wasn't your fault. However, if you live in a household that a lot of people have been involved in auto accidents and it's on your policy, there's a good chance it may go up. If you live in an area that there's a lot of high crime or a lot of other concerns that may come up, a lot of car accidents in your area, a lot of fraud, it may go up. If you've been in a car accident many times before, it may go up. But typically, if you were involved in a car accident or car crash and it was not your fault, your rates should not go up because it wasn't your fault. Florida's a no-fault state, but that leads us to personal injury protection for medical coverages that you need, that you can get care for from a clinic or a doctor's office. And the other person's personal injury protection pays for them. So your personal injury protection pays for your medical, and theirs pays for them. Now, as far as the collision to your car, the actual damage to your car itself, the other person's policy will cover if they have property damage, which is called PD. If they do not have property damage, then your collision may cover. If you have any questions, listen, give us a call, 813-421-3411. Nosotros también hablamos español. Gracias.